How do I convert a numpy array to and display an image? I have created an array thusly. What I want this to do is display a single red dot in the center of 512 by 512 image. At least to begin with. I think I can figure out the rest from there.
You could use pill to create and display an image. The following should work. If you are using Jupyter Notebook/Lab, use this inline command before importing Matplotlib. A more featureful way is to install ipymal pip install ipympl and use. See an example.
Note, both these apps have been first deprecated, then removed. Shortest path is to use SciPy, like this. This requires pill or pillow to be installed as well. A similar approach also requiring pill or pillow but which may invoke a different viewer is
How to show images stored in numpy array with example, works in Jupyter Notebook. I know there are simpler answers but this one will give you understanding of how images are actually drawn from a numpy array. Load example. Display array of one image. Create empty 10 by 10 subplots for visualizing 100 images. Plotting 100 images. Result. What does axis.flat do? It creates a numpy enumerator so you can iterate over axis in order to draw objects on them. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.